try to explain a little bit how gains from specialization in the good in which we have an absolute advantage take place in this simple example. So we said country A specializes in producing soybeans because they have only a requirement of 3 hours of work to produce 1 unit of soybeans, and country B specializes in textiles because they have only 4 hours of work in order to produce 1 unit of textiles, which is lower than the equivalent for country A. So let's think about the following scenario. Country A stops producing textiles, freeing available hours of work that can now be allocated to the production of soybeans. So suppose that exactly what we just said happens. It means that country A is going to save 6 hours of work that we're now going to erase to give an idea of what's going on. And these 6 hours can now be allocated towards the production of soybeans. Great. We also know that in order to produce 1 unit of soybeans, we need 3 hours of work. We have 6 hours available for producing 1 less unit of textiles. It means that for each unit of textiles that we stop producing, we gain 2 units of soybeans extra. Great. Now let's apply the same reasoning to country B. Country B was producing both goods, but now we say we specialize according to absolute advantage, which means that we're not going to be producing soybeans anymore in country B. Automatically, we have freed for each unit that we don't produce 12 hours that are now available to be reallocated towards textiles, which is what this arrow that I just draw is showing us. Great, but then if we have 12 hours of work available in country B that can be allocated to textiles, and textiles take 4 hours to get done, we have 3 units of textiles extra that are now available. So this should explain how we can achieve gains from specialization, and the following slide summarizes the result of these gains.